Here I have VIVO Y69. Let me show you how to perform here resetting app preferences on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use the settings. Then you need to scroll down, and from the following apps, let's choose here more settings, select here applications right here, and then let's select here all. Choose here reset app preferences, and this operation will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, background data limits of apps, and some other preferences. But what's really important, you will not lose any app data. So let's tap reset apps to confirm it, and that's it. You just reset app preferences. So you can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.